Okay, so we're gonna have a short review of solving equations. This is a multi-step problem, and I'm going to start by subtracting 7 from both sides of my equation. I'm gonna do that because I'm trying to isolate my fraction here. There are other ways that you can start. You can start by multiplying everything by 4. This is how my brain interpreted it. So I'm gonna have x over 4 on the left, because these would zero out. Then on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and combine my like terms, which would be the negative 17 minus 7 to give me negative 24. Now I really want to get rid of this fraction. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna multiply by 4 on both sides of my equation. So first of all, the first rule that I'm doing here is I'm multiplying by 4 to get rid of this division by 4. Because multiplying and dividing by the same number cancel each other out. They divide out into a 1. And then the second rule that I'm applying is that whatever I do to one side of my equation, I must also do to the other side of the equation so that it stays equally balanced. When I do that, on the left-hand side, I have x equals. On the right, I have to multiply the 4 by x and by the negative 24. I actually have to multiply both of those using the distributive property. When I do that, I'm going to get 4x minus 96. X times 4 is 4x, and then the 24 times 4 would be the negative 96 because of the negative here. Then I need to get all of the x's on the left-hand side. We're almost done here. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. And I would get negative 3x equals negative 96. So then I am almost done here, right? This is really negative 3 times x. So to undo that multiplication, to completely get that x isolated, I'm going to divide on both sides by negative 3. And I'm going to have x equals, then I do have to do this division here. So negative 96 divided by negative 3 would give me 32. This is my solution. X equals 32. Now what you could do to check your work, you could take that x value 32, plug it back into your original expression. So you would have 32 over 4 plus 7 equals 32 minus 17. And then we need to simplify this to see if we get a true statement. 32 divided by 4 is 8 plus 7.
This is minus.
And then 32 minus 17 on the right-hand side is 15. And 8 plus 7 is also 15. So we did get it right. We got the correct solution at 32.